Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this base effect in UE5 Niagara and I will create it from scratch, so you will learn it everything how I created all these textures, materials and Niagara of course. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. My handle is CGHOW_, link is in the description, and let's start this tutorial. So let's create a folder inside my project. And this will be like base attack fx, and then in Photoshop I'll create a texture 1k and you can make it black. Then I'll take a new layer, I'll take a brush, then I'll click on this butterfly, and then I'll take this dual axis and scale it down a little bit like this. Then I'll take a brush and Control H to hide that grid. And first of all, I think we need to create a frame. So I will create, or maybe we can use just with the brush. Okay, so let's just try. So anything, I am not clear what I will create, but